Hey, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that each day is precious. There was a major basketball player died a few days ago. His name is Kobe Bryant, right? And it's kind of interesting just to see how everybody's like, he was so young. He was only 41 years old. There's all these different things going around. I'm like, man, he lived life to the fullest. So in his 41 years of life, he lived a lot more than, a lot of people. You know, So it's very important for you to really take every single day and, enjoy it like it was your last. Because, even though we have to work, even though we have to have plans, it's still very, very, very important for you to take time to, relax, have fun, spend some time with your family and just relax. Get stuff done, but also still have fun while you're doing it. A lot of people have trouble doing that and they die and they never really got to enjoy life. So if you want to be able to grow your business while still enjoying life, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below, which is a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.